What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Young and Sad by Cyrus. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. It's got 3 different parts throughout the entire song, technically 4 because they're the last few choruses I would call an outro just because it's a little bit different than the other choruses, but technically 3 major parts for this entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now the structure for your song is technically there is an intro, but it's just two chords that you're playing in your verse. They play twice at the beginning of the song and after the first chorus. I'll show you what those are. Your verses are the exact same both times those are played. You have a pre-chorus that's the exact same both times it's played. And then you have what you play for your chorus. It's the exact same both times you play the chorus. And then, like I said, the end of the song is almost the exact same thing as the chorus. You're just leaving out one chord. Now we'll start with a little intro in the beginning of the verses. You are going to need this version of an E minor. It's technically like an E minor 7. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3. Your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, pinky finger 3rd fret high E string. And then you're going to be using this variation of like a D, F sharp. You're just going to take your index and your middle finger and just split them apart to where your index is on the 2nd fret of the low E and your middle is on the 2nd fret of the G, and your ring and pinky stay the exact same. And for your intro, you're just alternating between those 2 chords twice. And that strumming pattern stays the same throughout the entire song. It's down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Now for your verse, play the same thing twice. Then you're going to this version of a C. It's like a C add 9. You're taking that index, you're leaving your ring and your pinky finger in the exact same spots. They're going to stay there this entire song. And you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your index finger on the, ring middle finger 3rd fret A string, index finger 2nd fret D string. So C, G, just move those 2 fingers down a string each, or your middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the E and your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the A. And then that D, F sharp, and then back to E minor. So that looks like plays through twice. So down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then that jumps into your pre-chorus, which will technically go, it'll start on a C, your C add 9 there. So again, your verses look like Jumping into your pre-chorus, like I said, starts on your C add 9. to C, and that plays through twice. Down strum on the C at the at the end of your second time, and that leads you into your chorus. So again, the entire pre-chorus looks like. Now your chorus is going to start on E minor, and it's going to have a pick up to G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, up, and then down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So again, that looks like down, down, up, down, 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 up. You're just going 2, 3, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. It does that twice. Then you'll go E minor, D, F sharp, C, G, F sharp, back to E minor. So So you're playing twice, and then E minor, D, C, G, D, and then the same thing that you played at the very beginning of the chorus. I'll play that entire chorus one time through for you. It looks like. And correction, at the end of the chorus, it just stays on that C. It doesn't go back to the D and the G, so it looks like this. Then it jumps back into the intro where it plays this twice. Then you play your verse again, pre-chorus, chorus again. The only difference is at the end of the chorus this time, you will play through once more after the chorus, and then what I'm calling the outro is essentially again just the chorus, but you're playing it without playing the G, D at the very end to start it back over. So your outro looks like this. This happens after your second chorus. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist, and the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.